What's up everyone, it's your boy BavC and let's grab that Wi-Fi bag. We are essentially talking about creating an online business, but specifically an Instagram business. So here are 3 ways to make money from $0 on Instagram in 2021.
Really?
Before we get into everything, let's talk about Instagram. Instagram has over 1 billion monthly active users. That's insane. Imagine the reach. You can reach up to 1 billion people every month. So you can really create any type of business that you want. But for this video, all the ways to make money will be strictly relating to theme pages because they're the easiest way to make money on Instagram.
Nice.
So the first way to make money on Instagram in 2021, starting from $0, is creating a theme page and growing it so you can sell shoutouts and ads. So to grow a theme page, just go on YouTube, search up how to grow theme pages, and you will find countless of amazing informative videos on how to grow your page. Using these strategies that you find online, you will easily be able to grow your page to 1,000 plus in like a few months. At least if you do it and you like really
You gonna say anything, bro?
dedicate your time to this, you can easily do it in like 2 months, get 1,000 followers, and that's enough to start selling shoutouts and ads. And people will want to sell shoutouts and ads on your page since you have like a good following and they want to show their brand to everyone. Another way to make money online is using theme pages to sell a product. So you just go on YouTube, do the same growth thing, and after a while you'll have enough followers. Using your follower base, you can just post your own ads of your own product. And it can be like a personal product, like you developed a product and you're selling it online now, or you can do dropshipping. So if you don't know what dropshipping is when you find a very cheap product on like Alibaba or something that has like viral potential, and you create like a online store around that product. So after you do that, when someone buys a product from your store for like the increased price,
Spit it out, kid.
it's like ×3. So then you buy the product from Alibaba, ship it directly to that person. It doesn't have to be Alibaba, it can be anything, but you ship it directly to that person and you keep the profits. So that's a dropshipping business, and you can just promote your own ads and your own products on your Instagram theme page, so you don't have to pay other pages to promote your ads, or you don't have to do Facebook ads.
They don't want me to wear a bow tie. So I decided to wear a bow tie. Might wear one every day.
Third and final way to make money online on Instagram using theme pages starting from $0 is to sell a service. So for this, I think you can probably do it at any amount of followers. Like 100 plus you can do it, but it's really hard unless you have like 500 followers. So try to get 500 followers first. So once you have 500 followers, you can sell a service. This service can be anything, but it should be something that you're knowledgeable about.
Knowledge.
Once you find something that you're knowledgeable about and you want to share with others, you should start coaching or mentoring. So if it was something about like mindset or like mental health or just normal health, then that would be better to call yourself coaching. But if you're talking about Instagram pages, YouTube SEO, TikTok, it should be mentoring.
Nice.
If you don't have anything that you know that you're knowledgeable about, or you don't have something that people want, then I strongly suggest you just do Instagram growth, because you're literally learning this for your page and you're implementing the strategies so you know they work. So then you just do that and you can teach people from your own experience.
You do know they don't want you to have lunch. I'm keeping it real with you. So what you're going to do is have lunch.
I hope you decide that you take advantage of the situation that we're in right now and grab that Wi-Fi bag. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see down below in the comments. Bavi out.
I don't have an outro yet, so here we go. Do 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 do.